In this video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Ads account to Google Merchant Center. So in order to do this, what we can do is we can head over to our Google Merchant Center, scroll down under the marketing, and you can find the ad campaigns. Once you're in here, you can see the campaign management as well as your Google Ads billing. And in here, you can see that you will be prompted to link to Google Ads. Click on this link option. And then in here you can choose a new account as well account that you don't manage. I'll just choose in here this new account and click on this create. Then click on this link option. Once you have done that, this will load for a little while in order to connect those two together. As you can see, it's as easy as 2 clicks, and as you can notice, we already linked the Google Ads using that particular method. So that's how you connect Google Ads account to Google Merchant Center. Hope we helped.